I need you all to look at these tights. Look at them. Ah!
Darcei.
Hey guys, what's up? Your favorite bald-headed bitch. Back at it again with another Savage X Fenty try-on haul. I'm super excited for this one. I haven't done one in a really long time and you guys have been asking me for one. So here I am delivering. Savage X Fenty is all about feeling confident in your own skin. That's what I love about them. They're an inclusive lingerie brand with tons of styles, colors, sizes, anything you can think of, they've got it. So today I'm gonna go on their website, see what they've got on there, and then I'm gonna try it on for you guys. That means I'm gonna get naked and you guys are gonna watch. You nasties. If you guys see anything that you like, of course the link will be in the description box. And if it's your first time shopping, make sure you sign up for VIP so you get 50% off your first order. Okay, let's get started.
Come shopping with me. All right, let's hop onto the Savage X Fenty website and see what's new. Oh yeah, they got all this stuff from the fashion show. Let's see what's there, because I want to look like a Savage X Fenty model. Immediately yes, immediately yes. I've seen what I needed to see. I'm adding this to the cart. It also comes in green, but I'm feeling the white one, not gonna lie. That means I need to get some matching undies. So I'm gonna grab these ones with the cute little ties on the side. Ooh, wait, is this what Sabrina Carpenter was wearing at the Savage X Fenty fashion show? She looked so good in it. Do I want it? Yeah, I want it. Yep, Sabrina sold me, she did. I'm gonna add this to the cart, guys. All right, now hold on. I've spotted a onesie. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get a onesie. And you can't stop me. Look at the reviews, okay? The softest, like a Snuggie. Come on, who could resist that? Ooh, more snake stuff. I'm loving this collection. It's so sexy and fun. I'm a big fan of snake-themed things. Snake-themed things. Try saying that 5 times fast. Snake-themed things. Fuck. Okay, wait. What is this? Leather? Vinyl? Oh yeah, we're getting this for sure. Look how amazing this color looks on dark skin tones. I'm gagging. Oh my god, look at the accessories. Are you joking me? Add that to the cart. Speaking of accessories, check out these tights. They go perfect with the snake collection. So I'm gonna grab these. Just done. Add those to the cart. Oh, look how beautiful this is. The colors. Oh my god. Wow, so pretty. Oh yeah, let's add that to the bag. Oh my god, look at these gloves. They're so classy. I need them. Okay, this is the last item, I swear to God. Add it to the bag really quick. No one will notice.
Oh snap! Oh snap! I look pretty good. Okay, this was that cool snake collection, the cold-hearted snake collection. I didn't even realize that it had this little tie around the neck thing. I wasn't paying attention. Ah! Wow! She's purty. She's so purty. I love this collection. I feel very naked in it, and I really hope that YouTube doesn't kick me off the platform. Once again, you guys know the drill. I can't turn around because it's illegal, but this is a thong, some whole butt showing. And the bra is really small as well, but I like little cute small bras like this. I think they're really fun. The print mimics a snake print, but it doesn't exactly look like one. It's really cool and unique actually. I really like the colors. It's very fall time, very fall winter collection. I'm loving it. It's so freaking cute. So like I said, this is a whole collection, right? So it's not just these two, but I'm wearing the thong and the unlined demi bra. I just love this combination. It's really cute. But there is more to this collection. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, what else I got from this collection? Hold on. So this is the Cold-Hearted Snake Lace Slip, and I wasn't sure if this was gonna look good on me, but then I remembered that everything looks good on me. Silly Darcei. So as you can see, it's like all open on the side, and it has the same pattern in the front here as the bra and panties, which I am still wearing because YouTube don't play, you know what I'm saying? So look at that, it's so freaking cute. And it has a garter, so if you have little stockings, you can attach these and then it's really cute. See how it's just kind of like mimicking what a snake print is, but it's not really a snake print? It's like, it's kind of cool. I kind of like it. And then the rest is like fishnet. It's really cool. This collection really caught my eye during the fashion show, and I love it. Okay, I want to show you guys another thing. Hold on. I need you all to look at these tights. Look at them. Ah! Please, I can't. They're so pretty. Oh my god. I look fabulous. I love these tights because you can wear them anytime, anywhere, any place. And I like how they're not just like typical fishnet. Like they really go with the snake print. You know, it's not just your basic fishnet tight. They've got like a cool design. I love it. I'm gonna wear these all winter with like a cute little skirt, you know, sweater, and some high heel boots. Oh my god, the possibilities. I'm just dreaming up outfits right now. Oh yeah, it's looking good. I'm gonna look good this season. That's what I love about Savage X Fenty. Like, you're gonna find totally unique pieces that you wouldn't find anywhere else. My favorite lingerie right now. I know it's gonna change again because they keep coming out with more things. But as of this very moment, this is my favorite. Next outfit I'm gonna show you, it's gonna completely switch it up. We're gonna go from dark to light. Okay, my favorite thing about this set is the gloves. Come on, look at these. Oh, and look, I'm gonna come up close to you guys. They're like iridescent. Can you guys see that? They're like, and that's so pretty. Ah! This again is a thong, so I can't turn around for you guys, okay? Even though I know you wanna see it, you nasty. But I've got on a Balconette style bra here. This is my favorite style of bra. I'm gonna have to do this because YouTube does not like knick-knack. But I think it's really, really flattering how it like cups the girls like this. I'm just feeling myself up right now. I feel like a baby angel in this. I do. And with the gloves, it makes me feel so fancy. Like, oh, like I'm about to go to a sexy high tea or something. Like, oh, I'm so classy, but so sassy. I love that I'm getting into more of the accessories now with Savage X Fenty. First the ties, now I got gloves. What else did I get? I don't remember. Do you guys ever just order things online and then when it gets here, you're like, I ordered this? This is, I'm sold on this one. This is the outfit. This is the moment. Ooh, ooh, look at this one. Look at the colors. This is the ribbon writing collection, I think it's called. If there's ribbons, there's writing. It's gorgeous. I picked this because of the color. Like, look at it. It's fabulous. Hey guys, let me tell you a secret. Come here, come here, come here. Closer, closer. Guess what? These panties are crotchless. I know, I'm so bad. This is so sexy and cute. That's my favorite combination, okay? Sexy plus cute, love that combo. I think that this is so pretty. I love it, I do. I love the little ribbons, they're adorable. It's also really comfortable, especially the bottoms. And also, I love this collection so much that I bought more than one thing from the collection because I have a problem. Somebody stopped me, not really though. This is the lace teddy. You know what? I think it's just like the combo of purple and pink that's really getting me. But I feel like this is something that you would wear on a special occasion with your special person. Or just wear it around the house. Who cares? Whatever floats your boat, man. I'm just saying. This feels special to me. And what I love about this teddy as well is that it has like boning. I love anything with boning. Because it gives you like that structure. You know, I need structure in my life. This is just like the cutest collection ever. This is a new color from the Savage Not Sorry collection, which I have like a million of these, but I don't have it in this color, okay? Don't judge me. This is called Wildflower Blue, and it's so pretty. I love the way it pops. I think I have this in like a purple, I have it in a green, but now I've got it in blue, and it looks fabulous. I absolutely love this. This is the lace thong and the Balconette bra. I always get the Balconette bra. It's my favorite. Makes the girls look good. So if you're new to Savage X Fenty, I would go with something like this. If you don't want to get crazy with the lingerie, you know, you want to take some baby steps, I understand. This is where you would start, right? This is like basics. It's not loungewear. It's still sexy. So you'd be looking good, but you don't have to, you know, get like snake print and with like a chain around your neck. I feel like that's a little advanced for some people, I feel. Also, something that I love about Savage X Fenty is that they have something for everybody, right? So if you're like a comfy, cozy kind of girl and you just want to wear a bralette and some boxers, then like they have that for you. But if you want a crotchless thong, they got that too. Look at this robe. Ooh, satin. It's such a pretty color. And check out the back, check out the back. Got a lightning bolt. Savage X Fenty has tons of different robes, but I really like this one because I don't have a satin one yet. And I really wanted to try the satin fabric. It makes me feel fancy, you know? Makes me feel like a classy girl. And I also wanted a robe that was like short because I am short. If you didn't know, only 5 feet tall. I like robes that are short because on me, it's kind of like mid-length and I'm not like dragging my robe on the floor as I walk around my house. And also, I got these slippers. I like these little fuzzy slippers. I think they come in the same color as the robe too, but I wanted the black ones because black goes with everything and I could just like wear these around the house all the time. But they're really comfortable and fuzzy and warm and great for the coming cold months. I'm sorry, but this is the sexiest I've ever looked in my entire life. And the bar is very high. The sound my thighs are making right now. This is the leather tees collection. I have on the bustier, the thong. No, is this a thong? No, this is just like bikini underwear. I'm so used to wearing thongs. And these stockings. And I know what you're thinking right now. Darcei, aren't you sweaty in this? No, because it's fabric on the inside. It's just like a normal fabric on the inside. So it's not sweaty at all. This is like, I don't know what kind of stuff you're gonna be doing in this, but let's not talk about it. This is so hot. Like there's no other way to describe this. It's past sexy. We're at hotness right now. It looks like futuristic dominatrix. Can I say that on YouTube? I'm so glad I picked this outfit. This is my favorite outfit. It's so hot. I'm so hot right now. I can't believe this. This is amazing. Please, you guys need to buy this. You guys need to buy this right now. This is so hot. I feel like this is like an outfit for like a music video or something. Whose music video am I in right now? Lady Gaga? Feeling kind of Gaga to me. And I didn't even talk about this color because I got so distracted by how hot this is. So the color is a new color, I think, called Hunter Green. I love this color and I actually got one more item in Hunter Green, but it's gonna be literally the last thing I wear. So you guys are gonna have to wait. That's the thing about Savage X Fenty. They're always on point with their colors and it's always colors that look good on everybody. Like I don't even know how they do it. I don't even know how that's possible. Like what the color theory behind that. I don't know, I'm not a scientist. I don't understand. What is the mathematics behind this? Let me know. I'm finishing off the sexy outfits with a bang. This is not for everybody. Right? Not everybody wants to walk around looking like a dominatrix. I do, but not everybody does, right? So let's just bring it down a notch and let's get into something a little more comfortable. Now I know what you're thinking. Darcei, are those boxer briefs? Yes, they are. These are the men's boxer briefs. My butt is finally big enough to fit in these things and I'm gonna tell the world about it. This is my favorite pair that I have. I have another pair that I'm gonna show you, but I like this one because it's blue and I just really like this color. Me and my man, we got matching underwear now. So sometimes we'll be wearing the same underwear on the same day and it's weird. It's like telepathy. And then on top, I have this bralette. This is from the Forever Savage collection. It's just like a basic bralette. So if you're looking for like a really nice basic bralette to wear, then I would grab one of these. And I definitely recommend the men's boxer briefs. These are awesome. I also got them in black. Let me show you really quick. These are the same boxer briefs, but in black. And I love the black ones too. They're really like sleek and nice. Again, super comfortable. Like what the heck? Why is men's underwear so comfortable? I love the bands because they fit really snugly and it like hits me at the right place at the thigh. I also have these leggings from the same Forever Savage collection, so they go with the bralette. It's a matching set. These are good for working out and they're very like almost like a satiny kind of fabric. Like I don't even know what this fabric is, but it's very like smooth. So if you're looking for like basic things to start off with, things that are super comfortable, things you can even work out in, then I would go with these kinds of collections. It's always important to have basic and things that you can be comfortable in and like walk around the house in just looking cute. Even if you're alone in your house by yourself, like me, you still wanna look cute for yourself, right? So I'll be walking around in my boxer briefs being like, I'm cute. And of course, I love this collection so much that I got it in another color. Okay, come on, look at this. This color, I love it. So this is in the color Pink Fury, exact same collection. So I'm wearing a bralette and a high leg bikini bottom. Again, if you're looking for a basic, but with a pop of color, this is it. This is also like really good lounge around the house wear, you know? I'll just be walking around in this, making some pancakes. I should make pancakes today. I'm hungry, guys. And I love Savage X Fenty's bralettes because they give like a lot of support. Like, look at this. Look at this band. Look at that band on the bottom there. Real supportive. Bralettes are so supportive, they'll get you through some hard times, guys. But yeah, I mean, everyone loves a little hot pink moment. Okay, let me show you the absolute comfiest thing that I own right now. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, how many of these onesies do I have now? A lot, but you can never have too many onesies. That's what I always say. So this is in the color Hunter Green, the same as the leather tees collection that I was wearing before. Exact same color, very different vibe. So these onesies always come with the hood, looking fresh, styling, and profiling. I really love this color, but it kind of looks like I'm competing in Squid Game. Oh yeah, and it also has like this cute little design on the side. Huh? Savage X Fenty. And as usual, the little logo there represents. This is my favorite onesie because I just love this color. I'm pretty sure this is a size small. It's really big on me, as they tend to be, because again, I told you, I am an impossibly small human being. So if you are a normal sized person, it's gonna look normal on you. But if you're small like me, you're gonna drown in it a little bit, but it's okay. It's okay to be small. There's nothing to be ashamed of. Well, the onesies are so comfortable, like doesn't look comfortable. I feel like that's pretty obvious. You could literally fall asleep in this. This is definitely my favorite onesie now. I can't wait to see what other onesies they come out with. They just keep getting better. And that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to head down to the description box, click on my link, and make sure you sign up for VIP so that you get 50% off your first order. And if you still don't know what you want to get from the website, they've got a quiz on there so you can figure out exactly what your style is. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, there's lots more. Just click one of these babies. Yeah, that's right. I've done a lot of these hauls. I have a problem, I told you. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget that I love ya so much. Bye.